What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Playmaker Wave with the playbook. Hope you have a very great day, morning, or evening. And y'all read the title, man. I achieved a 100% win rate using this price action cheat code. Follow these steps exactly. Now, if this is your first time on the channel, welcome. I appreciate giving this video a chance. Make sure to hit that bell and sub button because we don't just post weekly videos like this, but we also post weekly day trading tips, weekly stock plays analysis, as well as weekly crypto plays analysis. And most importantly, we live stream and live trade every day, London session 3 a.m. EST on this very same channel. Now, before we get into this video, of course, I know people are going to be like 100% win rate. Yeah, right. Click. Let me watch anyways. So shout out to y'all. Of course, we don't make nothing up over here. Everything is documented in real time. Like I said, we live stream and live trade every single day. We have taken 0 losses for the month of February. This is how we did Thursday, caught 113 pips. This is how we did on the 25th, 117 pips, 24th, 68 pips. How we ended last week, we went 2-0. The week before that, we went 4-0. And the week before that, we went 3-0. So that's how we've been doing for the month of February. You can see all this by hitting the first link in the description and join the free signal and free Telegram. We go live every single day. I send a link out every time we are live during London session, as you can see. And at the beginning of every week, we drop the Sunday chart analysis, going over at the beginning of the week all the high impact news, as well as all the charts I trade and giving my projections for the week at the beginning of the week. Of course, if you scroll up to this, because I know people are like, oh, we just won 100% win rate February. That doesn't mean you win every single trade. Well, you don't win every single trade, you lose trades. But if we go to the recap of how we ended 2024, we also had a 100% win rate on January. Now for the month, 100% win rate is impressive, but we've had 100% win rates on a week. We do that all the time. But as you can see here, we averaged an 89% win rate for the entire year of 2024. In this video, I'm going to show you this beautiful GbpNzd setup right here. Beautiful 1-to-4 risk ratio setup, meaning whatever risk made 4 times that amount. So for example, I risked $100, I would have made $400. If I risked $1,000, I would have made $4,000 off this one trade alone. But you can see we've been catching and riding this wave since the beginning of the week. So we're gonna be breaking down why I need to go for buys this week. I caught this setup and how you can catch a similar setup. But you can see right here in advanced play sitting room, 27th. You can see the screenshot of me saying GN still going at 8:44 p.m. We go to 8:44 p.m. You can see GN broke that level and continue to fly even further, right? We'll go further into that. You can see same date, we enter this trade 318. Again, that was London session. So we go to February 27th live stream. You'll see that we broke this trade down and entered this during the live stream. All TPs got hit, went live during the news and all that good stuff. Again, we do not make anything up over here. So now we're going to break down how we caught this setup and how you can catch a similar setup just like this one. The first thing I always tell the members and students to do before you take any trade setup is you want to identify the trend. Now, you don't just want to identify the trend on any time frame. You want to identify the trends on the bigger time frames. Again, we are just identifying the trend on the bigger time frames. We're not trading on the bigger time frames. The reason why you want to identify the trend on the bigger time frame is because that's how price moves. Price moves on a day by day, week by week, month by month basis. All right, y'all. So when you go into the bigger time frames to identify the trend, it's going to tell you the direction price has been going for the past few days and week, and the direction price is heading, right? The smaller time frames only explain what price is doing at that exact moment, both which are important, but used to determine and look at completely different things. So when we look here, we can look here and see that we had some bullish momentum to the left. We see some higher highs getting made. Then we had price fail to make a second higher high, rejected this resistance level, which caused the reversal into the downtrend, right? Then we had price consolidate here for a few weeks and then reverse back. But what we see here is price failed to make a higher high 4 different times. So third time wasn't the charm. So we're going to see it the 4th time is the charm. So right here, we see that we have clear bullish momentum. We're just struggling to push up and break those highs to the left. We can see here that we're approaching a clear resistance level. That price has been rejected over and over again, but we also can see that price is respecting the support level. So again, since price has been respecting this level of support and still trying to break this level to the left, I'm going to still look for buys because we still have bullish momentum. So now that we know we're looking for buys, this is when we want to mark off our key price levels and look for the rest of our confirmations, right? So boom. So now we got our key price levels marked off. So again, we see here, this was the Wednesday candlestick. Again, we took that trade on the 27th, not the 26th. So as we saw price break past this resistance level here, that's when I knew for sure that was going to look for continued buys. So now we just need to see if price can maintain and hold this level at support and not wick back down and reject it again, right? So now is when we go into the smaller time frame and wait for our confirmations. So again, you can see we've been riding this wave up. We caught buys on the same level, but as we can see here in the past, prices failed to again break and hold this level as support until Wednesday, right? So again, you want to enter buys off support, you want to enter sells off resistance, right? You want to go with the flow of price. And for those that don't understand, support, resistance, supply, demand, it's all the same stuff, just like liquidity is all the same stuff, levels of traffic, it's all the same stuff, just different terms and different ways of seeing it, right? It's all tomato, tomato, right? Banana, banana, you see? Orange, orange, you feel me? So now that we know we're looking for buys, we're going to wait for one of two things. We're either going to wait for price to break above and hold this level as support, or we look for retracement to see if price can maintain and hold this level as support. But either way, we're still looking for buys. So now that we know, again, we're in an uptrend, we're looking for buys, we got our key price levels marked off, so we know where we're looking for buys. Now we simply just have to wait for price to come to those price points to see if it can hold as support or not. Boom. So we see price broke this level. So we want to wait for not price just to break this level. We want to see if we can maintain or hold this level as support. So boom, after we saw price retest this level and maintain holding as support, that is when we pulled the trigger and went for the buy. Right? It took a few hours for price to wake up, but as you can see, it still maintained this level as support. And once volume kicked in, as you can see, going into New York session, the rest was history. Broke this level again, peep high, retested, maintained this level as support. They continued to push up, right? I think glitch, there it goes. They continue to push up, and rest was history, y'all. It's literally that simple. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Comment down below any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Make sure to hit that first link in the description, join a free signal, free Telegram, y'all. If you're interested in how to identify these levels, my signal service, my mentorship program, make sure to hit those links in the description. Again, this works on literally every single chart, every single pair, y'all. But before you make a decision, let me tell you a little bit about those details. Advanced Play Signal, we trade Tokyo session exclusively with the members, we trade London session, and then New York. Just like the Sunday chart analysis I drop in the free signal, I drop one every day during New York session called the New York Price Watch List. This is where I go over the trades we took during Tokyo session, London session, and possible sales going into New York. I don't just say we're looking for buys or looking for sells. I explain why we're looking for buys, why we're looking for sells, and then I take it a step further and go over key price points to look for entries and exits on. As you can see here, I call this signal. You see I'm walking y'all through what's going on with the trades we're in. I'm giving y'all updates to what I talked about in the New York Price Watch List. And then of course you see me showing y'all screenshots to visually show y'all what's going on behind the scenes, or what I see on my end behind the scenes. All right, we also have exclusive live streams that we go live during New York news events at least twice a week. And just like the London session lives, if you missed the live, they're recorded and posted in here so you can watch them when you get a chance. You have access to over 500 videos of daily chart analysis and weekly live streams. And in fact, you have access to even the ones last year in 2022. Then there's also the pinned messages like the account size key, the student and member group chat, and much more. Now I also have the course, of course. The course doesn't just teach you my trading strategy, it also teaches you how to read the charts, because that's what I teach y'all. You saw I had no indicators, no trend lines. It's simply just market flow and trading and entering and exiting off key price levels. Now all the stuff that I just went over, you get access to all that stuff in the course channel. So that way, not only do you have the step-by-step playbook of how to look and read any chart at all times, but you have ongoing chart analysis, ongoing education for life. Now I also have one-on-one sessions. One-on-one sessions also comes with access to the Advanced Play Signal Room and the student member group chat. That way you can earn while you learn, but then you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded an hour long But you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded and are an hour long, and they're sent to you the same day. Those are yours to keep for life. So if you're interested in that, hit those links in the description. If y'all want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram at playmaker_way. Also make sure to follow me on there, and TikTok _playmakerway_. I post daily on both pages. And I'll see y'all next time I'm live or next time I post a video. Peace. We out.